Hello and welcome to Bespoke Unit. My name is Paul Anthony and the purpose of today's video is show you how to season a humidor in the quickest and most effective manner. So we've all been there, got a new humidor, how do you season it? It's one of the most important things when you actually got a cigar collection is how to store them properly. We've gone through all the ups and downs, trials and tribulations of different seasoning methods, and this is by far the easiest and simplest way to do it. What you're going to want to do is have your new desktop humidor. You're going to want to establish the amount of cigars it holds, and then you're going to want to buy a corresponding amount of Boveda packs. This is a 100 count basic entry-level humidor, link below on how to buy. It's about $100 and I've had it for about a year. It holds consistent 68% RH because I did this seasoning method. As it's 100 count, you're going to want 4 of these 60 gram Boveda packs, and you're going to want to spread them evenly throughout the humidor. So you're going to put 2 on the top tray, 2 on the bottom tray, and that's it. As I've had this for a year, this is the actual second seasoning I'm going to do now. And you're going to want to probably repeat that seasoning probably once a year for the first 3 or 4 years of the humidor as the wood ages and matures. Once you leave them in here for 2 full weeks, they're going to have given up enough moisture into the surrounding wood that you're going to actually be able to reintroduce your cigars back in there. When you take these packs out, you're going to want to throw them away because they've given up too much moisture and will not be effective for a second seasoning. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do. 1, establish the capacity. 2, buy the corresponding amount of Boveda packs. 3, leave them in there for 2 weeks. And then 4, put your cigars back in. I hope this video was helpful. Please put any comments or questions you may have below on the seasoning process and how you may disagree with me. We also have a much longer video that explores the pros and cons of different seasoning methods. Like the video and subscribe to our channel where we cover not only cigars but many other men's lifestyle topics such as shoes, suits, cigars, obviously, whiskey and fragrance, plus many others. My name is Paul Anthony from Bespoke Unit, and I'll see you next time.